QT holders, we are now trying to confirm our bottom is in. I think we are going to do it. It's starting to look really promising. For all the guys around here, you guys know I've been banging on about this zone for many months. This $81 to $71 zone. I lost so many subscribers on YouTube for calling this level for many months. I lost so many people who were sharing the videos and whatnot. Now we came here. Now all of a sudden they were talking rubbish, and now that we hit this level, now they're nowhere to be found. You know, it's just typical. You know, you guys are absolutely crazy. But yeah, for the guys who stuck around and really trusted in the TA, congratulations. You ended up getting QT at a really nice price. I did say it was coming. I said numerous times it was coming. I was like, hold out. Again, it's never financial advice, but I kept on saying the chart was too messy. It didn't look like it was ready for a breakout, and I said it for many months. But now, like I said in the previous video, we are super optimistic now. So quite clearly, we've had a 5-way move down from the highs of here. Again, I'm not going to dive too deep into why this level was such a mess. I've explained it numerous times. Basically, it tried to get pumped out during some news and resistance. I believe the team now have learned from their mistake from doing that. So they've been pumping out some good news while in support. I really like that. That's a super big positive going into the rest of the cycle. We had a WXY to the upside. Within that WXY, it was an ABC to the upside as well. A straight up rejection. We had a rejection here at the top of here, at the top of 135. We came back down to my support line. If you can see here, the red one, you see we had one tap there, two taps there. After having them taps, we then had a rally into my resistance. I said we're gonna have a breakdown from here, and exactly that's what happened. So we broke down from there. We had a 5-way move to the downside, really nice. And now it's time to be optimistic. So it's quite clear that we should have bottomed down here. But even without this, you can ignore this wick for now. If you didn't end up getting it, you can ignore it. It's completely fine. Okay? I said many coins like to do 50% of their wick. I said it in the previous video. PA wise. PA stands for price action wise. Elliott wave wise, it doesn't have to do it. But price action wise, it's like nicer to look at chart wise to do that. But as of right now, we are finding support. We are finding support within our macro support. So we are now in nano support, which is also within our macro support, which is amazing. So much confluence at the moment. What we can say right now is there's two ways to count this, okay? So ultimately, we could say this is all a wave 1. This is wave 2. Now we're looking for a wave 3, 4, 5 to the upside. This 5 should end up clearing this zone pretty easily if we're going to have a 5-way move from here. So this could be the start, okay? This could be the start of something mega, okay? Only because this wave 1 is so sharp, this wave 3 has to be sharper. So what we can do is take this high as 100%, okay? So what we have to do to make this make sense is try and do this low to the high. That brings us to here. And this is the reason why I'm being very careful with this wave count, because I don't believe we should count this wick. And I'll get into why we shouldn't, okay? Because then the wave 1 up here, like I said, is around 100%. That can't be bigger than the wave 3. This is a little bit of an Elliott wave masterclass. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Because I'm going somewhere. Just stay tuned, okay? Wave 3 is around 48%. Can't be possible, okay? That can't be possible. So that makes no sense. So at the moment, what we will do is we will forget this wick for now, and we will count this, okay? We will count this. So this is going to be a 1, 2, and now we look for a 3. How to work out this wave 3, we'll do that right now, okay? So you see this high? We need to take this high out. We'll do high to low, okay? To the low of the wick. You see how there's massive confluence now? Then we'll do this as red because this is now resistance. So boom, as you can see now. So from the low to the wave 1, we found support for the wave 2. Wave 2 support is now holding. We do also have bullish divergence starting to form here on QNT. We're starting to see it. We're getting this momentum wave trigger. We're getting this money flow up. We're getting this VWAP up. We're getting multiple hidden bullish divergence there across the market cipher B as well. So that's a promising sign. These are the signs we want to see. And I said it in the previous video. We're starting to see the things we want to see now. Okay. So to work out the wave 3, what we do, again, I'll just tell you guys really quickly. You go from the high of the wave 4 or the previous wave 4 all the way down to the low of the wave 1, okay? Low to high to low, support, resistance. Then to work out the support for the wave 4, we would like to take another Fibonacci from the wave 2 to the wave 3, where the wave 3 can top, and then boom, this is your wave 4, okay? Wave 5, what we like to do to have a further extension, we take the Fibonacci tool again from the wave 3 to the wave 4. then what we'll do is we'll turn on the 1618, then we'll remove the 0.618786, and then boom, this is our target. So we want to see a break above 109.76. So what ideally I would like to see is us come up to this zone, have a wick above like this, come back down, chop around, chop around, chop around. In this downward path, it will be an ABC correction. And then from there, we'd have a 5-way move to the upside. Remember, guys, what I said in the previous videos, we must break 121, $121. We must break it, and we must close a weekly candle above it. And I don't just mean one, I mean 2 weekly candles above it. Once we've done that, we are clear. And I've said numerous times we will come down to this level. We've come down to this level. I said so many times we were going to top here. We topped here. I said so many times this is the bottom. This was the bottom. I said so many times this isn't the bull market. It wasn't. It was a B wave to trap people to try and long. So take it as you want, all right? I've nailed every single level on QNT. The only level where there was a little bit of stickiness, I would say, was over here, okay? Was over here. I kept on saying we're making bearish divergence along the way. I did say if we get a rally into the 90s, I would look to short. We got into the 98s, I shorted to 94. I got out. It looked weird, okay? The reason for that was because the money flow was increasing. Then we waited. We waited. Then we got some news. Again, I didn't agree with the news. I didn't like that the news came out while in resistance. I've made it quite clear, okay? Made it quite clear. I've voiced my opinion. So many people didn't like that opinion, but I don't care anyway. I'm not here to please you. I don't give a damn, you know? I'm here to tell you about Market Cypher B, Elliott Wave, and a price prediction, a realistic price prediction for QNT. If you don't like that, then I'm not for you. I'm not gonna sit here and be one of them guys and try and please you and say we're doing this, that, and the third just because you want to hear it. I don't care about that, okay? So we came up to these levels, we had a rejection, and we followed through. We have followed through. We eventually followed through, like I said we would. So now I'm happy. I'm really happy. The daily time frame's looking freaking incredible. The weekly time frame is looking really good. Remember in the previous video, we need to see that VWAP oscillation start to work their way up, and same with the money flow. Let me show you guys right now. What do we have right now? What do we have right now? Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Because I think I'm seeing something really interesting here. I think I'm starting to see that money flow in the weekly time frame start to show up. It is. It is. It is. It is. Money flow starting to point up. RSI's on the floor. Weekly time frame is starting to look super good. Weekly is starting to look super good, guys. Oh my days. We have, obviously, I don't name them, guys. Remember that. A blown out butt cheek over here on the market side for these. Again, we do have some bullish divergence across there. I've been talking about it for many months. We've been waiting for this. We've been waiting for this, guys. It's now showing up. Our VWAP oscillations are now pointing up as well. They need to go into the green, though. They need to go into the green, but I'm watching out for it. It's starting to look very promising. Again, the monthly time frame, we shouldn't really worry about this for maybe another 2 or 3 months. But the weekly, looking amazing. The daily, looking amazing. I think the 4-hour might even be looking pretty nice too. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time. Oh, the 4 hours looking amazing. Look at the pig nipple pattern here. Pig nipple pattern. Again, I don't name them, so don't don't quote me on all these things. But again, this is what we call it in Market Cypher B. I don't make the names. Pig nipple pattern. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 pig nipples here. Money flow is working their way up. VWAP's working their way up. RSIs are working their way up. We are looking good. We are looking strong. We're looking really good. 3-hour time frame. We're looking good as well. Ping nipple patterns on the 3-hour time frame as well. Obviously, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs, and I do think Bitcoin's going to get a big move really soon. I think we're probably even starting that rally again for Bitcoin. BTCD is working its way up, but just to be honest, guys, we need Bitcoin to rally hard now. We need over the next 2 to 3 weeks to see Bitcoin just go absolutely crazy. We need that, okay? Because then BTCD is going to continue to flow to the upside. Same with Bitcoin. And then eventually that money is going to fully rotate into altcoins, okay? So just hang on. I know it's been a long cycle. I know it's been so annoying. And I know many people have been losing money. But again, it's never financial advice. But if you've just stuck by and just listened to what's been going on in my videos and waited for these levels, these are golden opportunities, okay? Again, I'm never buying QNT again unless we have a crazy bear market, okay? Which we will have a crazy bear market. So I don't know yet. I'll see. But as of right now, you guys know I bought QNT in single digits. I have no plans to buy it ever again during this bull market. Like, no way at all. We will trade it in the VIP group. We've been trading so many things in the VIP group. As you can see here, just over the past few hours, VIP members are up over 100% on Bitcoin. QNT, we ended up taking a nice long on QNT as well, bringing in $902 over there as well. QNT there, another member, QNT, me, QNT, Also took a QNT short as well, you know. So Tau, another member, took along on Tau. Arve, I took along on Arve. So if you guys are interested in the VIP Telegram group, don't forget to check out the CryptoWmal website, which is pinned in the comments. We also do have the payment links as well in the comments pinned as well. But if you want to get the full rundown of how the group looks, just again, it's in the pinned comments. Check out the CryptoWmal website. So I'm going to leave you guys with this. I don't want to go too in depth with the price prediction long term. You guys know that it's still the exact same range, the $700 range, you know. Nothing's changed on my front. It's never going to change on my front unless we break support, and we haven't done that. We're rallying from support. It's looking nice. Remember, guys, I still want to target from 752 all the way up to 782 as well. So in that bracket, in that zone, we should have an ABC correction. If we don't have an ABC correction, then the top is in for this cycle. We'd have a 5-way move to the downside from there. If we do have an ABC correction, then we should hold this zone. Like I said to you guys, I'll be selling 90% of my QNT here. I will be looking to long on maybe 10 to 30x leverage on QNT here, building this box, which is a 365 to 249 dollar zone. After that, we should have another massive move to the upside, bringing us into the 1,600 $1,700 zone. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. We have 79% of you guys who come back to the QNT videos every single time I upload one, and you don't even subscribe. You just come back every time. Just hit that subscribe button, man. It really does help out a lot. I really do appreciate it. Just remember that Jesus Christ is Lord. He's the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and end, the first and the last. Every knee shall bow, every tongue shall confess. Jesus Christ is Lord. God is love. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.